Story Kids Rise.
Rapunzel's Magical Quest Fairy Tale at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a land filled with sparkling rivers and enchanted forests, there lived a kind princess named Rapunzel. But this was no ordinary princess. Rapunzel had magical hair that shimmered like golden threads in the sunlight, growing longer and more beautiful with each wish she made. Her hair wasn't just magical, it could heal any wound, and even lift the heaviest of hearts with a single touch. Rapunzel lived high up in a magnificent tower hidden deep in the enchanted forest. The tower sparkled with mysterious glowing stones, and every night, the moonlight would make the stones twinkle like stars. Though the tower was beautiful, Rapunzel longed to see the world outside. She would dream of the magical creatures she could meet and the brave heroes who might come to her rescue. One day, a young prince named Leo, full of courage and kindness, stumbled upon Rapunzel's tower while seeking a magical cure for his village. Hearing her enchanting song, he looked up and saw her radiant golden hair flowing down the tower, glowing brighter than the sun itself. Leo called out to Rapunzel, and she lowered her hair like a ladder. But here's where the story changes. When Leo touched her hair, the magic from it transferred to him, turning him into a powerful, yet gentle, warrior who could understand the language of animals and plants. Together, they didn't just escape the tower, they worked side by side to help those in need. Rapunzel used her magical hair to heal and protect, while Leo's new powers helped him communicate with the enchanted forest, leading them on incredible adventures. They became heroes, saving the kingdom from dark curses, and through their bravery, they discovered that true magic lies in helping others and facing challenges together. Moral of the story is love and courage, when shared, can turn even the simplest acts into something magical. Rapunzel's Magical Quest Fairy Tale at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.